Have you ever looked up at the night sky and felt a sense of profound wonder? The vast expanse above us, dotted with countless stars, has always been a source of fascination and mystery for humanity. The twinkling stars, a distant reminder of the vastness of the cosmos. Each star a sun in its own right, potentially hosting planets and maybe even life. But what if I told you that our galaxy, the Milky Way, is not alone in its journey through space? It is part of a grand cosmic dance, a ballet of galaxies moving through the universe. In fact, we are on a collision course with our nearest galactic neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy. This isn't just a random event, but a consequence of the gravitational forces that govern the cosmos. This might sound like the plot of a science fiction film, a cosmic drama of epic proportions. Imagine two massive galaxies, each containing billions of stars, slowly merging into one. But rest assured, it's a prediction based on sound scientific observation and our understanding of the universe's fundamental forces. Astronomers have been studying the movements of galaxies for decades, using powerful telescopes and advanced technology. The collision won't happen overnight, though. It's a slow-motion event that will unfold over billions of years. Our night sky will gradually change as Andromeda approaches. It's a slow-motion event that will unfold over billions of years. The gravitational pull between the two galaxies will draw them closer, leading to a spectacular cosmic event. When the Milky Way and Andromeda finally collide, it will be a sight to behold. Stars will be thrown into new orbits, and some may even be ejected from the newly formed galaxy. However, the vast distances between stars mean that actual collisions between stars will be rare. Scientists predict that the merger will result in a new galaxy, sometimes referred to as Milkomeda or Milkdromeda. This new galaxy will be an elliptical galaxy, different in shape from the spiral galaxies we are familiar with. The process will take millions of years to complete, and during this time, our solar system may be flung into a new region of space. The night sky as we know it will be forever changed. While this might sound alarming, it's important to remember that this is a natural part of the life cycle of galaxies. Our universe is constantly evolving and we are just a small part of this grand cosmic story. So next time you look up at the night sky, take a moment to appreciate the beauty and complexity of the universe. We are on a collision course, but it's a journey that will unfold over eons, a testament to the ever-changing nature of the cosmos. The Milky Way, our home galaxy, is a majestic spiral galaxy. It is home to hundreds of billions of stars, vast clouds of gas and dust, and countless planets. From our vantage point on Earth, we see the Milky Way as a band of light stretching across the night sky, a hazy river of stars. Andromeda, also known as M31, is our closest major galactic neighbor. Like the Milky Way, it's a spiral galaxy, but it's even larger. Andromeda contains an estimated 1 trillion stars, making it a true heavyweight in our galactic neighborhood. The reason for this inevitable collision lies in a fundamental force of the universe: gravity. Gravity is the invisible force that holds our feet to the ground, keeps the Earth in orbit around the Sun, and governs the motion of galaxies across vast cosmic distances. The Milky Way and Andromeda are locked in a gravitational dance. They are being pulled towards each other at a speed of approximately 250,000 miles per hour. At this rate, they are destined to meet in a spectacular cosmic event. When galaxies collide. The term collision may evoke images of a catastrophic event, but galactic collisions are more like intricate dances than head-on crashes. When galaxies collide, they pass through each other, their stars and gas clouds interacting in complex ways. The vast distances between stars mean that direct stellar collisions are unlikely. However, the gravitational forces at play during a galactic merger are powerful enough to disrupt the shapes of galaxies, triggering waves of star formation and creating stunning tidal tales of gas and stars. Our sun's fate is a journey into the unknown. What will happen to our solar system when the Milky Way and Andromeda collide? Well, the good news is that our sun and its planets are unlikely to be destroyed. The distances between stars are so vast that our solar system is likely to survive the merger relatively unscathed. However, our cosmic address will change dramatically. Simulations suggest that the sun could be flung out to a different part of the merged galaxy, potentially ending up much farther from the galactic core than we are now. A sky ablaze witnessing the cosmic spectacle. The collision of the Milky Way and Andromeda will be a slow-motion event, unfolding over billions of years, but for any life that exists on Earth at that time, the night sky will offer a breathtaking spectacle. As the two galaxies approach each other, the Milky Way's familiar band of light will become distorted, eventually giving way to a sky ablaze with the light of billions of stars. The Andromeda Galaxy, currently a faint smudge in the night sky, will grow larger and brighter, eventually dominating our celestial view. Milkdromeda, the dawn of a new galactic era. This term refers to the future collision and merger of our Milky Way galaxy with the neighboring Andromeda Galaxy. This monumental event is predicted to occur in about 4.5 billion years, a timescale that is almost incomprehensible to the human mind. Yet astronomers have been able to predict this cosmic event with remarkable accuracy, thanks to the precise measurements of the movements of stars and galaxies. The merger of the Milky Way and Andromeda will create a new, larger galaxy. This process will be slow and gradual, taking millions of years to complete. During this time, the gravitational forces at play will cause the stars within both galaxies to interact in complex ways. Some stars may be flung out into intergalactic space, while others will be pulled into new orbits around the center of the newly forming galaxy. The result will be a spectacular cosmic dance, as the two galaxies slowly come together to form a single, unified structure. Astronomers have dubbed this future galaxy Milkdromeda. This name is a portmanteau of the Milky Way and Andromeda, reflecting the union of these two massive star systems. The study of this future event has provided astronomers with valuable insights into the dynamics of galaxy mergers, which are a common occurrence in the universe. By observing other galaxy mergers, scientists can make predictions about what will happen when our own galaxy undergoes this transformation. It will be an elliptical galaxy, lacking the spiral arms that characterize both the Milky Way and Andromeda. Elliptical galaxies are typically older and contain less gas and dust than their spiral counterparts. This means that star formation will slow down significantly in Milkdromeda, as the raw materials needed to create new stars become scarce. However, the stars that do form will be part of a new generation, born from the remnants of the two original galaxies. This new galaxy will be a cosmic melting pot, its stars and gas clouds coming together to create a new generation of stars and planetary systems. The merger will also likely trigger bursts of star formation, as the gravitational interactions between the two galaxies compress gas clouds and ignite new stellar nurseries. These bursts of star formation will light up the night sky, creating brilliant new constellations and adding to the rich tapestry of the universe. It's a reminder that the universe is a dynamic and ever-changing place, where even galaxies themselves are not immune to the forces of change. The story of Milkdromeda is just one chapter in the ongoing saga of the cosmos, a testament to the incredible power and beauty of the universe. As we look up at the night sky, we are reminded of our place in this vast, ever-evolving expanse and the endless possibilities that lie ahead. Our place in the universe, humility, and awe. When we look up at the night sky, we are often filled with a sense of wonder. The stars, planets, and galaxies that we see are just a tiny fraction of what exists in the cosmos. The vastness of space is almost beyond comprehension, and it can make us feel incredibly small. Yet this feeling of smallness is not one of insignificance, but rather one of humility. It is a reminder that we are part of something much larger than ourselves. This perspective can be both humbling and awe-inspiring. Contemplating the collision of the Milky Way and Andromeda can be a humbling experience. These two massive galaxies, each containing billions of stars, are on a collision course that will take place over the next few billion years. The sheer scale of this event is mind-boggling. It reminds us that the universe operates on timescales that are far beyond our human experience. While we live our lives in decades, the universe evolves over billions of years. This collision will reshape both galaxies, creating new star systems and altering the cosmic landscape in ways we can scarcely imagine. It reminds us of the vastness of the universe and the incredible timescales on which cosmic events unfold. The light from distant stars and galaxies takes millions or even billions of years to reach us. When we look at the night sky, we are seeing light that has traveled across vast distances, giving us a glimpse into the distant past. This realization can be both humbling and awe-inspiring. It connects us to the history of the universe and reminds us of our place within it. The universe is a dynamic and ever-changing place filled with wonders that we are only beginning to understand. Our planet, our solar system, and even our galaxy are but tiny specks in the grand scheme of things. The Milky Way is just one of billions of galaxies in the observable universe. Each galaxy contains billions of stars, and many of those stars have planets orbiting them. The sheer number of celestial objects is staggering. Yet, despite our small size, we have the ability to explore and understand the universe. Through the use of telescopes and other instruments, we can study distant galaxies, observe the birth and death of stars, and even search for signs of life beyond our own planet. Yet there is also a sense of awe. The beauty and complexity of the universe are truly breathtaking. From the intricate patterns of galaxies to the vibrant colors of nebulae, the cosmos is filled with wonders that captivate our imagination. The more we learn about the universe, the more we realize how much there is still to discover. Each new discovery opens up new questions and new possibilities. This sense of awe drives our curiosity and fuels our desire to explore and understand the cosmos. The universe is a place of incredible beauty and complexity. The laws of physics that govern the motions of galaxies are the same laws that govern the smallest particles. This unity of the cosmos is one of the most profound discoveries of modern science. It means that by studying the universe on the largest scales, we can gain insights into the fundamental nature of reality. The interplay between the large and the small, the simple and the complex, is what makes the universe so fascinating. It is a reminder that we are part of a grand and interconnected whole. The laws of physics that govern the motions of galaxies are the same laws that govern the smallest particles. This unity of the cosmos is one of the most profound discoveries of modern science. It means that by studying the universe on the largest scales, we can gain insights into the fundamental nature of reality. The interplay between the large and the small, the simple and the complex, is what makes the universe so fascinating. It is a reminder that we are part of a grand and interconnected whole. We are all connected, part of a cosmic web that stretches across space and time. This interconnectedness is not just a poetic idea but a scientific reality. The atoms in our bodies were forged in the hearts of stars that lived and died long before our solar system was born. The elements that make up our world are the same elements that make up distant galaxies. This cosmic connection is a reminder of our shared origins and our place in the universe. It is a source of both humility and awe, inspiring us to continue our exploration and deepen our understanding of the cosmos.